When it comes to cooking, garlic is one of our favorite ingredients. And it's such a versatile ingredient that it can be used in almost any savory dish. Roasted with some proteins, stir-fried in some vegetables, blended into a creamy pasta sauce. The list goes on and on. Personally, we absolutely love the flavor and aroma of garlic, so when a recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, you'll somehow justify to yourself that you really should be putting in 5 or 6. And the best part is that you don't feel too guilty about it because garlic is healthy. Garlic can be used to help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, and prevent cancer, heart attacks, coronary heart disease, and atherosclerosis. This superfood can also be used to help treat the common cold, the flu, bug bites, fungal infections, and traveler's diarrhea. Garlic is great for strengthening your immune system while eliminating toxins, leading many people to consume it after chemotherapy. But while you love cooked garlic, garlic in its raw form is apparently how you're going to get the best results. This is because eating garlic has been shown to reduce its anti-cancer properties and inactivate a key enzyme called alliinase. What you'll want to do to maximize the health benefits of garlic is to crush it up raw, releasing the enzymes that will break down into good organosulfur compounds, and then eat it on an empty stomach. But raw garlic is incredibly pungent, so try this. Take 2 or 3 garlic cloves, chop up and crush them, and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. If you can consume it this way on a regular basis, it can go a long way in boosting your immune system and also healthy with antibacterial properties. Garlic and honey may seem like odd ingredients to put together, but combining them results in an impressive immune-boosting substance that will keep your body healthy and strong. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.